What's up? Again, I will be unboxing another affordable surveillance camera. Well, for me, it fits to those who are leaving with different people in one house, or in a dormitories that you wanted to protect your things while you're outside. I bought this through an online shopping app, and since they are giving a very friendly prices and discount, then I must purchase it. And if it happens you cart this, then please do watch this video, as I will be teaching you how to connect this to your smartphone. This is a cloud storage intelligence camera, so it is connected through Wi-Fi, and you can access directly to your smartphone whenever and wherever you can monitor, in the areas that you want to have access if you are away. Later, I will show to you how to connect the device to your smartphone. As you can see, it's a robotic-inspired design, and supports 5G Wi-Fi, and made of plastic. But this is not a battery-operated device, with input power of 5 volts and 1 ampere, so better purchase a travel adapter as this is not powered by battery, and uses the normal micro USB cable. This can capture 1080p resolution, enough to take a decent video. It rotates upward or downward to 90 degrees angles, while 355 degrees angles on sideways. Underneath is the SD card slot and the reset button down. But they are offering a cloud storage plan, which is safe in protecting your videos. But that will be burden in your pockets. Then you have the manual with different language translation, and of course we will base through English translation. Then the cable, which is a normal micro USB. And of course the screws if you wanted this to be placed on ceilings or sideways. Then this is where the screws be attached and serves the handle of the camera. You have 2 options to check the right application for this. The most accurate is to scan the QR code, or you may search directly to iStore or Google Play. I always tell this. It is better to have an extra phone to connect all your devices at home since we are now in a digital era. When opening it, make it sure you create an account, in case you want to subscribe their monthly payment as the protection of your video if you don't want to use an SD card. Because this is not powered by battery, so direct connection from the power supply is a must. When it is plugged in, first thing you will hear a sound and it will calibrate as its own and return to its proper position. In order the camera will connect to Wi-Fi, you need to open the application and you notice this plus sign, you must click it and select Wi-Fi connection. Then log in the Wi-Fi connection you have. Then the QR code will appear. You need to scan this using the device from a bit distance going to near. Then wait till you will hear a notification that it is successfully connected. Then OK.
QR code scan is successful. Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is connected. You can start using your camera now.
Basically, you can add many devices in this app. So if your one camera is in the bedroom, then put a name on it so you will have an idea which location needed to be monitored, or the other is in the kitchen, then name it as a kitchen camera. To be clear, this is an 1080p resolution only. Well, it's a decent camera considering the price of this device. Zooming is not really clear, but it is acceptable. Well, it will be a problem if the internet connection is not working well, though it will automatically save the video going to SD card, but that's still not safe. If you notice this circle button, this serves as a joystick if you wanted to rotate the camera manually, so you can access an area you wanted to recall, though the camera will automatically detect or sense a human, and it will follow wherever a humanoid go. Then you can change the video capture either HD or Full HD. So you can click this button here. If you want to capture a person trying to do something in your place, you can either warn him or her, or take a copy of the video directly to your phone in case he tried to remove the SD card.
Hello.
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 The good thing is, you can talk to a person if she's near in this device, or an intruder that doing something in your place. Never mind the echo. You just hear this because the device is near to my phone. Try to check also the settings, turn the necessary button that may help to monitor the area. And of course, turn on the notification settings as you will be notified whatever motion or movements that the device will sense. And most importantly, you need to turn on the motion sensor in order for you to follow the motion that detected by the camera. The tamper alarm button will make sound if a human is near on the device, but I found this annoying since I put this on my table, and every time I am near an alarm sound will always activated. As of now, for me, the PIN code is not necessarily useful, but you can though if you wanted to secure it if someone will be using your phone. So here's the sample video of this device with lights on and lights off. And tell me about your thoughts. For me, considering the price, it is worth it. As long as it gives me the basic needs that I needed then, that's enough. Well, if you have the means to purchase a 4K resolution, then why not? And that's it. If you reached till this video, thank you so much. Please do like and subscribe, and your comments is highly appreciated.